Matter is everywhere. You experience it all the time. And it's anything that has mass and takes up space. It's all around you. But energy is not matter. Energy is things like light, sound, and heat. They do not take up space or have mass necessarily, so they're not considered matter. Matter is usually made of atoms, and we often see atoms represented with this kind of picture. They're the Legos of the universe. They build up all the matter that we experience on a regular basis. These types of atoms are called elements, and they're arranged in the periodic table of elements. These are all the different types of atoms in the entire universe. Whether it's an apple, or a rock, or some water, they're all made of atoms. Different kinds of atoms, arranged differently for sure, but still atoms. Now, different atoms and different substances that are made of atoms have different properties. There's physical properties and there's chemical properties. And these physical and chemical properties describe matter. Physical properties include things like color and shape, solubility, density, and magnetism. And you can look at these without changing what a substance is. I know that iron is ferromagnetic, it's attracted to a magnet, but it doesn't change the fact that it's iron. So you can observe a physical property without changing what it is. Same thing with color. I can look at it, it doesn't change what it is. It stays the same thing. Chemical properties, however, are different. And they include things such as rusting, burning, tarnishing, combustion, oxidization. These are all chemical reactions. They change what a substance is when you observe that chemical reaction happening. Rusting, for instance, occurs when iron combines with oxygen. And when they combine, they make a new substance, iron oxide. So it's a chemical reaction. It changes what it is. Now, if we use a physical or a chemical property to identify something, it's a characteristic property. Examples of that include density, boiling point, and electrical conductivity. Silver is much better at electrical conductivity than things like lead or gallium. And so it's a characteristic property of silver. It's a very good conductor. You could also use this to tell the difference between fool's gold and real gold. 19.3 grams per milliliter, you know it's real gold. If instead you get 4.8 when you do your experiment, it's probably fool's gold and not worth quite as much, but still cool.